I am Nimal, and today our topic is job production in operation management. So, what is job production? Job production is characterized by the manufacturing of one or few numbers of a single product designed and manufactured strictly to customer specifications within the given period and within the price fixed prior to title contact. Some typical examples of industries engaged in jobbing production are general repair shops, special purpose machine tools manufacturers, workshops to manufacturing jigs and fixtures for other units, building contractors, tailoring shops, manufacturing made to measure suit of clothes, manufacturers of ships, cranes, furnaces, turbo generators, pressures vessels, etc., and other manufacturing articles made to customer orders. So, characteristic of job production: disproportionate manufacturing cycle time, a considerable amount of pre-planning and organization is necessary in such a venture. Relatively long delay occur at the assembly as the materials processing stages due to lack of materials or components imbalanced workflow, designed changes, design errors detected during manufacturing, inaccurate work measurement, etc., which tend to lengthen the manufacturing cycle time. At time, title time needed to design the product exceeds its manufacturing time. Large work in progress. The work in progress inventory in a jobbing manufacturing is generally very large as detailed scheduling and progressing controlling. In this type of production is economically infeasible for various reasons. Jobs get delayed, causing temporary work shortage. To overcome work shortage and keep men and machines busy, more work is released to the shops, which in turn increase work in progress. Limited functions of production planning and control. The success of jobbing production mainly depends on the ability of the engineer in charge of the contract. Materials are intended and purchased on receipt of orders, unlike in batch or mass productions where material requirements are planned well in advance. Process planning activity is almost absent. Drawing and specification are directly given to the supervisor, who is expected to decide work methods, select optimum process, fix up machines tools to be used and estimate time required completing an operation. Now we discuss about important of job production. Small product runs or small production runs. Jobbing production is characterized by the manufacturing of one or few pieces of a product. At a time under a separate contract, the production is made strictly to customers' specifications. Discontinuous flow of materials. The flow of materials and components between different stages of manufacturing is highly discontinuous due to imbalance in operation wise work content. General purpose machines and process layout. Plant and equipment is designed or procured and arranged to obtain maximum flexibility. General purpose machines and handling equipments capable of performing variety of operations with minimum set tips time are installed in line of variety in product capable of doing similar type of operations are grouped together. Press or presses, for example, are kept at one place. Mailing machines are placed at another place. Drilling machines, drilling machines are kept at third place, and so on and so forth. Each group of machines is usually designated as a work center or a section or a shop. The grouping of machines gives a lot of flexibility in loading and scheduling. Temporary machines, breakdowns, and operators' absenteeism can be taken care of by shifting jobs to another machines or shifting operators from less important jobs to important jobs. Highly skilled labor in organizations. The labor force is usually highly skilled, qualified trade apprentices who are expected to work from minimum instruction regarding what to make are issued in the form of specifications, while instructions as to how manufacturer are usually oral. The workmen, being highly skilled, are expected to work independently and display a great deal of initiative and judgment. They are required to set up their own machines and prepare their own special tools or productions aids in order to further the manufacture of a part or a assembly. So highly competent, knowledgeable supervisors, highly competent general engineers are engaged as foremen in the base workshop and a group of site engineers. So practical means with through training capable of taking independent charges of each contract are employed to work at site. So therefore these engineers or supervisors in a jobbing productions are the reservoir of job knowledge. So the supervisor, besides being able administrator, is expected to improve and determine best work methods, determine tool requirements, select the best process, and provide management with reliable estimates of labors and materials for specific orders. The span of control, the number of workmen to be supervised by supervisor, is kept low because to technical nature of the job. So simple mechanism tools control function is simple. Standard tools are stocked while special tools are either made on the shop floor by the operator or purchased on request from the supervisor. Decentralized process. The scheduling activity is more or less decentralized. A schedule is prepared to show the start and completion date of each major component of the product. Job tickets giving completions date of each components are raised and given to the shop. The activity of day-to-day scheduling is left to the individuals of supervisor. Examples for job production system. Job production involves firms producing items that meet the specific requirement of the customer. Often these are one of unique items, each as those made by an architect or wedding dressmaker. For an architect, each building or structure that he designed will be different and tailored to be needed to each individual client. With job description, a single worker or group of workers handles the complete task. Jobs can be on a small scale, involving title or no technology. However, jobs can also be complex, running lots of technology with low technology jobs. Production is simple and it is relatively easy to get hold of the skills and equipments required. Good examples of the job method includes hairdresser, tailor, painting, decorating, plumbing, and heating repairing at home. High technology jobs are much more complex and difficult. These jobs need to be very well project managed and required highly qualified and skilled workers. Examples of high technology complex jobs includes, that is, farm productions or field productions, large construction projects, installing new transportation systems. Advantages of job production. The advantage of job production is that each item can be altered for the specific customer, and this provides genuine marketing benefits. A business is likely to be able to add value to this product and possibly create a unique selling point USP, both of which should enable it to sell at high prices. Disadvantages of job production. Whether it is based on low or high technology, job production is an expensive process as it a labor intensive, uses more workers compared to machines. These raise cost to farm as the payment of wages and salaries is more expensive than the cost of running machines. So thanks a lot for watching my video.